Looking good, looking good. Drumsticks off of here and get it onto the front Yoder board. Threw some Mexican style corn on here with a twist. So not your standard normal chili powder. We used a rub. If you guys are interested, watch my other video about doing Mexican style corn. It's a very easy, simple solution for a nice little side to add to your meat. Although we'd love to only eat meat, gotta have some vegetables in there. As you can see, this board here is quite large. You can fit probably 3 times the amount of chicken drumsticks on this board. You can serve a whole party off of both of these boards, no problem. We've done it many times here. Get a look, still got all this space, and really these can be pushed over all the way. The corn has been on for approximately 40 minutes. All you got to do is get the corn heated up. The mayonnaise and the rub become a nice juice and really add some flavor. All right, let's get it back inside. So we'll see you in there. All right, so we got our Lollipop chicken drumsticks, Mexican style corn. Food is hot and the beer is cold. We'll see you next time.